Hi and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to add music on WhatsApp status. First thing you need to do is go to TikTok, then choose your photo. After choosing your photo, you can click here to change your music. You can go to favorites or even search your favorite music. Click on it to add and then click on the check. Make sure the post is visible only to you and then click on the check. Go to profile, go to private videos and then click on your video. Click on the three dots and then click on save video. After the video is saved, go to WhatsApp status, click on my status and choose your video. Here on the top, grab the video and cut it right to the end. And after that, click on send, and that is all. Your status is just uploaded and you're all done. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.